Welcome back everyone, this is Eddie with Joe's Gaming and Electronics. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace your earpads on your Bose NC700. Very easy and simple. You're just going to flip them over, right? And you're going to have a couple clips here. Here's our replacement pads, and I'll just show you on the replacement pad what kind of clips there are, just so you know what you're replacing, right? Know how it kind of pops out. So you just have these clips all around here. I'll show you on the close-up cam here. You can see they're just clips, kind of L like that, and they hold them in. So what you're going to do is you're going to go under, grab it, you kind of feel that ring, and just kind of pull out, and then keep pulling with that ring, work your way around, bam, you got one out. Same goes for the other side. You grab that ring, kind of give it a little tug, bam, just like that, work your way around, pop right out. I'll also be replacing these two mesh pieces here. They're just going to be held on by some double-sided tape. So once you get to that tape, you kind of just work your way around. Work it with your nail, sorry. But you just kind of, pretty self-explanatory here. Here as well, got some double-sided tape. Kind of pull up on it so that you're not leaving that mesh behind, but you're actually pulling that tape up. Bam, that's one. Clean that up. And this, got some right here. Kind of work it with your nail and it'll be alright. You know what I'm saying? Bam, clean that up. And then onto this side, kind of same thing. Get it started with your nail. And then kind of keep working around it. You'll kind of feel where that tape is, so you'll know what I'm saying once you're doing this. And just like so. Make sure you don't remove those two foam pieces because those are kind of holding that wire in. Those aren't something you want to remove. If you do though, don't worry, just put them back. Simple as that. You didn't break anything. At least I hope you didn't. Now we grab our new foam piece, I guess mesh, and ear pads, and reverse the other process. You know what I'm saying? We'll go here. And before I take this off, I like to, with my nail, kind of work that tape in, just to make sure it kind of grabs onto the foam pretty nicely. And then afterwards, I'll remove it. You just use your nails, or if you want, if you have tweezers handy, tweezers work phenomenally. But not much to it, just to do it. We do sell these on our website, so links below, or I don't know, maybe that little eye, the icon there, you know what I'm saying? The little eye. I don't know, I think we can do that. If we can, our editor will go ahead and do that. Make it as easy as possible for you guys to order new ear pads and whatnot. What I like to do here is line this up here, obviously, you know what I'm saying? Carefully grab that. Align this edge up with the curvature here, you know what I'm saying? And if you push down and you don't like your position, you could always pull up and then realign. But I'm liking that. So just push down, just like so. Kind of work it all the way around. Beautiful. And now we'll grab our ear pad and just line those clips up with the holes. And just start with one, pop in, and then work your way around. Just push them in, just like so. Go around and make sure it's all good. Beautiful. You can look in there. You can still see kind of your serial numbers and everything that you have access to. And nice and clean. It's the best part. Same goes for the right side. I'll do the same thing, or kind of prime, I guess that's a good word, prime the double-sided tape. Just like so. Pull these tabs up, place it to the side, you know what I'm saying? I wish I had more to tell you guys, but there's not much to it. Hope you're having a phenomenal day. I know I am. Every day is a phenomenal day. Because you're given another chance to do great, you know what I'm saying? Like, hopefully, I'm doing great at teaching you how to be great with your clean, new, fresh looking earpads and meshes. Same thing goes here. Line that up. I like that. And then just push down on the tape areas and then just work your way around. Priming that tape, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Just like so. If you have a little up there, don't worry, you'll be alright. Same goes here. Find a hole for the clip, push down, and then work your way around. Very satisfying. Work it around. Bingo, bango, bongo. You did it. Now, let me show you something. These didn't look all that dirty, you know what I'm saying? Here's some before and after for you. Yeah, these look brand new again. Clean your unit with some isopropyl alcohol. I did that beforehand, so now the whole, they could use a little wipe down again just because I was touching them. But beautiful, easy, simple, quick, and they feel like new again. You know, that's the best part. Links below for the parts, and there's no tools required, just your couple hands, you know what I'm saying? If you have one, that's all you need. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, concerns, just want to chat about cats, then comment section. Use that comment section, spam it, send a cat emoji my way. That's all I'm saying. Hope you enjoyed. But if you have any serious questions, give us a call. Leave a comment down below. We do our best to reply to every single comment. Hopefully this helped you out in some way. Links to the parts are in the description, as well as hopefully the little eye icon. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching again. This has been Eddie with Joe's Gaming Electronics, wishing you an exquisite afternoon or morning or evening.